All right, what is up YouTube? So today I have kind of a product review testing kind of video. Today we're gonna find out whether or not shoe cleaners really work. So you may have seen stuff like this on like Instagram or some other person's YouTube, and they test out, cleaning my super dirty shoes or whatever. But I'm gonna test it out for myself and see how it works out. All right, so basically I picked this up at a Foot Locker. I just asked like, I got a pair of white shoes, I need to clean them. What you got for me? And so they told me to just grab this. I think it was like 10, 15 bucks. So I picked it up and I'm gonna try to clean my shoes with it. So these are my Yeezy 350 Boost, and they are hideous. They're disgusting. These have survived like 3 or 4 concerts, and so they're pretty gross. I need to clean them. You spend good money on a pair of shoes, you want them to look nice. Am I right? We'll see if it works. Check it out. So you open up the box, comes with a brush, a little napkin thing, whatever, and a bottle of Cure, whatever that means. So it has some directions, gives you a cleaning guide. This is a nice little before of how dirty my shoes really are. They are quite dirty. So the instructions for this say, dunk brush into a bowl of warm water. All right, so we got our warm bowl of water. Now it says, add a generous amount of cleaning solution to the brush. All right, so we got the cleaning solution, we got our brush. Now we're gonna put 2 and 2 together and we're gonna clean this damn shoe, all right? All right, so I have my brush. We're gonna add the cleaning solution. Set a generous amount, so I think that's generous enough. And it says dip brush back into bowl of water. Dip, dip, dip. It says brush shoes in a circular motion, creating lather. The fuck does that mean? Right. Here we go. We're gonna clean this shoe. Circular motion. Would you look at that? You're getting pretty white. Let's keep scrubbing. Let's get going. Ah! So one thing that's kind of hard is cleaning the laces. So you just gotta make sure you like really get in there with the brush. The fuck? There we go, make sure it gets all soapy. That nasty black. We're gonna see if it comes out. Look at that. This really works, man, it really works. Yeah, my mom's gonna whoop my ass if she sees this mess. This is for like the tops of your shoes. I don't really think it's gonna clean the bottom soles and stuff. But I'm sure you could just clean that with like water and soap. Oh shit. Okay, I guess we're done. So it said the next step was to dry the shoes with the cloth provided. So I'm just gonna dry off the shoe real quick. Obviously it's still gonna be a little wet, so if you plan on wearing the shoes when you go out, just try to clean, a couple hours before you go out so they can dry. And of course, I'm going out in a little bit, so I just did like, a quick tutorial. If you scrub a little harder, you take your time with it, probably get better results. All right, well, I just finished cleaning them, and now it's time to see the before and after. You still see a little stains there and some stains there. But I mean, if you directly compare it to how it was before, it's a much better improvement. And like I said, you know, if you take your time with it, you know, you really, you know, scrub that. What the fuck? Ignore that motion. If you really scrub the shoe thoroughly, and you know, you repeat the steps a couple times, it's really a good product. You know, I see a lot of girls that will keep buying, like, you know, they have a pair of white Converse and oh, it gets dirty, so now I have to buy a new pair. We got shoe cleaner for that. So as you can see, you can share this video with your friends, show them that, hey, you don't need to keep buying those white pairs of Converse. You can just buy a shoe cleaner, clean the shoes, take care of them, and stop spending so much money on the same pair of shoes. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. So comment down below what kind of video you want to see next. And who knows, I might do it. Got nothing else better to do, right? So I will see you guys next Friday. Peace out. I love you guys. And tell your friends to subscribe. So that'd be cool. That'd be cool, man. Until next week. Peace out! Done on these shoes, cause they's very dirty. We gonna clean my shoes, cause they so dirty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, gonna clean my shoes, cause I'm dirty. I'm not dirty, my shoes are dirty. I'm quite clean.